Partnering with the Summer Work Experience program is beneficial to everyone in the community.
One word to put it simply, amazing.
It was absolutely fantastic.
The students really make friends, make community.
The social aspect of it, I really like the fact that all the workers would actually talk to us. It just made it a lot better. I'm more of a social person, so I like to talk to people.
And they were such a big help. I mean, and sometimes we were kind of pressed for time, and I mean, they just jumped right in and helped us out.
My peoples learned how to work with these kids, and their personalities. Each and every one has their own different personality, figuring it out and getting along with them, making them feel comfortable.
They were some of the best people their age I have ever seen work.
And let's give them the opportunity to do it.